Far too many people these days struggle with a slow, unreliable, and expensive printer without even realizing it. Upgrading to a modern wireless tank or laser printer will upgrade your home office or small business in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best printers today go far beyond simple printing, offering incredible ink savings, seamless connectivity, and professional results. We've done the research and have the top 5 options ready and waiting, but first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon MegaTank G3270 All-in-One Wireless inkjet printer. We begin our list in the domain of incredible value and unmatched page yield with the Canon MegaTank G3270. This all-in-one wireless workhorse is designed for home use, handling print, scan, and copy duties with ease. The star of the show here is the MegaTank ink system. Canon claims that a single set of inks can print a staggering 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages. That means you could be set for up to 2 years without even thinking about buying more ink. This represents a potential savings of up to $1,000 on ink compared to traditional cartridge models. It features a 1.35-inch square LCD display for easy navigation and supports borderless printing for your photos. While it focuses on single-sided printing, its core mission is clear: to provide relentless, low-cost printing for families and students who need to print a lot without the constant frustration and expense of replacement cartridges. For sheer long-term value in an inkjet, the Canon G3270 is a phenomenal place to start. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Super Tank Printer. Moving up, we have another cartridge-free champion, the Epson EcoTank ET2800. This is a bestseller for a reason, and it's the ideal basic home printer. Epson's innovative Super Tank system completely eliminates those tiny, expensive ink cartridges. Instead, you get high-capacity bottles of ink right in the box, with each bottle set being equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. This translates into dramatic savings, with Epson claiming you can save up to 90% on replacement ink compared to cartridges. That's enough ink to print up to 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages right out of the box, giving you up to 2 years of ink and far fewer out-of-ink frustrations. It uses Epson's proprietary micro-piezo heat-free technology, which is gentle on the printer and helps produce vivid, detailed prints. It prints at speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in black and 5 in color. By choosing an EcoTank, you're not just saving money, you're also helping to reduce the amount of plastic cartridge waste ending up in landfills. It's a smart, economical, and eco-friendly choice for any home. Number 3. Brother DCPL 2640DW Wireless Compact Monochrome Laser Printer. Now let's shift gears entirely from ink tanks to laser speed. If your world revolves around fast, high-volume black and white documents, the Brother DCPL 2640DW is engineered for you. This compact 3-in-1 multifunction printer is the best choice for small businesses and anyone who values extraordinary productivity. This is a laser printer, which means it uses toner, not ink. The result? Blisteringly fast print speeds of up to 36 pages per minute. That means a 10-page document is finished in under 20 seconds. It also boasts efficient scanning with a 50-page auto document feeder, allowing for convenient, time-saving multi-page scanning and copying without you having to stand there and flip each page. It offers incredibly flexible connection options with built-in dual-band wireless and Ethernet, and it features automatic two-sided or duplex printing to save paper. The Brother Mobile Connect app lets you print, scan, and manage your printer from almost anywhere. When it's time to replace the toner, Brother's Genuine Toner cartridges yield thousands of pages, and with their Refresh Easy print subscription, you can save up to 50% and never worry about running out again. For pure monochrome speed and business-ready reliability, the Brother DCPL 2640DW is a powerhouse. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer. Next up is a feature-packed all-in-one that's perfectly formatted for a busy office. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E does it all: print, scan, copy, and even fax. It's built for volume with a 250-sheet input tray and fast color printing speeds up to 18 pages per minute and 22 pages per minute in black. But where it really stands out is with its smart features. This printer uses HP AI to perfectly format your prints. When you print a web page or an email, the AI intelligently removes unwanted content and ads, so you get a clean, professional-looking document without wasted pages or awkward layouts. It has upgraded features like an auto document feeder for scanning multi-page documents, automatic two-sided printing, and a 2.7-inch touchscreen for easy control. It includes a 3-month trial of HP's famous Instant Ink service, which monitors your ink levels and delivers new cartridges to your door before you run out. For peace of mind, it also comes with built-in HP Wolf Pro Security, a powerful suite of tools that helps protect your printer and network from cyber threats. For a professional, smart, and secure office workhorse, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is a top contender. And number 1, Epson EcoTank ET4-800 wireless all-in-one SuperTank printer. Taking our top spot is the printer that combines the best of all worlds, the Epson EcoTank ET4800. This is the ideal machine for your home office. It builds on the revolutionary cartridge-free printing of the ET2800, but adds a full suite of office-oriented features. The ET4800 is a true all-in-one, capable of printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. It includes a built-in automatic document feeder, or ADF, which is essential for scanning or copying multi-page contracts and reports. Just like its little brother, it uses the innovative EcoTank system with easy-to-fill EcoFit ink bottles, saving you up to 90% on ink and printing thousands of pages before you need a refill. It produces impressive print quality thanks to Epson's unique micro-piezo heat-free technology, which delivers sharp text and vibrant color graphics on virtually any paper. With its high-resolution flatbed scanner, a color display for easy navigation, and Ethernet for a reliable wired connection, the Epson EcoTank ET4800 offers unparalleled convenience and stunning value. It eliminates waste, slashes your cost per page to the bone, and handles every task a modern home office can throw at it. For its perfect balance of economy, capability, and reliability, the Epson EcoTank ET4800 is our number 1 pick for the best wireless printer. And that concludes our list of the top 5 wireless printers available today. Each one offers a unique set of strengths, whether it's the ultimate ink savings of the tank printers, the blazing speed of the brother Laser, or the smart features of the HP OfficeJet Pro. Think about what you print most, consider your budget, and choose the machine that will end your printing frustrations for good. Don't forget to check out the direct links in the description for the best prices on all these models. Thanks for watching and happy printing!